Good day, everyone. Welcome to Midhead FX. All right. Today we are going to be talking or taking a top-down analysis of step index. All right. Based on request, so we are going to just do that in this video. All right. Before I proceed, please try to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to get notified when video like this dropped. All right. We also have a traders community. All right. The link will be in the description below. All right. On Telegram. And we also have a mentorship. Okay, you can try and subscribe to our mentorship if there is need. All right. The benefit is just that you'll be exposed to traders that trade, exactly the same way in the group. All right. So without much talk, let's go straight into what we have today. All right. Now what we have is step index, and then we want to do a top-down analysis on it, basically. All right. So what is happening with step index? Let me make an adjustment. So now that step index. Now what do we expect on step index? First, we want to check our range highs and range lows basically on step index. So where's my range high? All right, so yeah, basically yes, I think this area is my range high. This line marked out is my range high based on daily or probably weekly, but that's where I consider as a high. All right, so this is my high, and this low here is a very good low. All right, so I can use this place as a valid low. All right, so that's that. Now, which means that my anticipation is that price will actually retrace upward at least to a reasonable high, maybe on a minimum level, taking out some of this internal liquidity. All right. All right. So now I want to actually join the buy to the upside. All right, which, for instance, this zone here is a supply zone currently. All right, and this is a demand zone. All right, so we anticipate and want to see the movement of the market. All right, now one of the things you need to pay attention to is that since we want to actually take the retracement, for me, I'm trying to take the retracement to the upside. Sorry. So I'm trying to take the retracement back up. So I'm anticipating that this retraced down into this zone. All right, on a larger ground, price should retrace to all these zones here, this one. So price should retrace back down into all these zones. But if I want to actually trade based on this time frame, all right, my zone would have been below here. Yeah, that's where my zone would have been. But because of these two zones I have here, all right, this is supply zone, demand zone. So I'm anticipating that price comes into this zone and then start pushing up, all right? So, whatever confirmation reasons you want, all right, when price comes around this zone, all right, you should try as much as possible to be looking for a buy confirmation so you can buy up until price clear all this internal liquidity. Yeah, we are still very much in a good buy idea. All right, so we are still looking for a buy idea. So what am I looking out for if I want to do a top-down analysis on higher time frame? All right, first of all, I want to know on daily where my high and lows are. So this is my high and this is my low. All right, this is my high and this is my low. All right, what am I looking at again? What is the face of the market? The face of the market is retracement because it's pushing back to the upside. All right, if you go to H4, you'll have seen a break of structure for a buy. All right, so you would have been following H4 structure for a buy. All right, listen and listen carefully. You would have been following H4 structure for a buy. All right, let's go to H4 so that I'll show you what I'm saying. After I've confirmed that this is my high and this is my low, all right, so and then I've marked my demand and supply zones, all right, which is, some people call it support and resistance, whatever you want to call it is fine. All right, now what I'll do next is I'm going to go to H4. Let me see H4. I want to see if I can join the buy and where to join the buy from. All right, so that's that. All right, so on H4 we have this move. Yeah, so fine. This is an inducement. So this is a perfect low on H4. So you would have been waiting for price to come to this whole area, like I said before. I'm going to save this chart so that I'll post it as a picture here on YouTube so that we can see it and how it played. All right, so this whole area would have been my focus for a buy. So if I want to buy, so I'll just add few, normal pips below because of H4. All right, H4 broke structure somewhere around here to the upside. Head inducement around here. Came back to this zone to start buying. So now it has started buying from there to this zone. Now the next thing is we want the next appropriate zone. Where is our range highs and range lows on H4? So we have this as range high, this place as range high, and this place as our range low. So I'm anticipating that price comes down to this place, but it doesn't mean that price will not retrace. So if price would actually retrace, I will be expecting price to give some reaction around here. So if price gets here, I can see, some reactions. We just push up, price will come down into this zone. So for overall buy bias, I'm going to be buying from here. But the structure based on daily is still very much a sell. So I'm just trying to run down top-down analysis for you so that you can actually see it. No matter what names you call it, it's still the same every single place. Same idea. All right, so that's it. So this is my top-down analysis on step index. What am I looking out for? I'm looking out for price retracing down into this zone. All right. If price retraces down into this zone, then we wait for confirmation around this lower zone, and then we'll buy to the upside. Right? If there's a confirmation here, then we'll buy to the upside. But where's my high? My high is here. So this is where my high is on daily. So that's the top-down analysis I have to do. So yeah, some persons are saying we want to join the sell, whatever. You would have gone to H1. Let's see H1. So in case you want to join the sell down, let's see H1. All right, so let me. So this H1. Okay. If I want to actually sell from H1, your zone should be around here. This area here. If you want to join the sell, or you join the sell from here. So those are the two places I'll be looking out for a sell. All right, this area and this particular area here. So if you see price come into any of these places, you can start selling. But yeah, so those are the two places you can look for sell entries. So that's just basically a short way of doing top-down analysis. Go straight to daily. After daily, you go straight down to your confirmation time frame and then you take your trade. All right. Yeah. So this is how I look at my chart. It might look somehow, all right, but remember, this is an upgrade for us. We have learned to merge all these things that we've learned together to make ourselves profitable. All right. So if you want to understand how it works, you can join the trading community, and you can also try as much as possible to join the mentorship. Click the like button and then click the notification bell to get notified when videos like this drop. So if you have any question, you can put it in the comment section below. All right. Cheers and God bless you.